So welcome back to the receive version of the Midland 78 Plus Multi Revision 6 with the blue display. So we'll see how the receive performs on this. Well, I have to admit this sounds actually absolutely dreadful listening to 10 microvolts. And what I'm just going to do is make sure the detector's set correctly. The detector is 104, which is there. So looking at an oscilloscope on the output of the speaker, I'm looking for maximum waveform. We'll put an S9 equivalent signal, which is 100 microvolts on. It wasn't peak. That might be better. Oh, that's made all the difference. Now you're listening to 0.3 microvolt. So this has come out of the factory with the detector quite a way out, but of course you don't know how shaken it's been up in shipment from China, do we? So now we'll go through the rest of the receiver, and what we have here is 102 and 103. So we'll just check those for maximum sensitivity. I'm looking at a Synad meter. That's fine. And I am just going to check L101 as well. And that's fine. So that's all you've got, the three there. I presume this is part of the IF. I'll just put a big signal on and see how it affects us. There we go, that's peaked as well. So that now sounds fine. So with 0.3 of a microvolt, 0.2, 0.15, there's still something there at 0.15, so it's very sensitive. But it was disappointing that we had to set that detector before receiving anything worthwhile on this set. So going back to an S9 signal of 100 microvolt equivalent, I'm going to just check that the S meter is reading S9, which is what it should be doing. If we need to adjust it, then it's 1... I've written these down. Receive meter is 102. Do you know, I've not written this down, have I? I bet it's 101. When I can get the tool in and... Yes, that's it. So I'll make a note of that on the notes. So we don't want it to be plus 30. We don't want... There we are, S9. So now I'm going to put more signal on the signal generator. 300 microvolts. We want that to read... Yeah, we can get it to read S9 with a big thing. That's right. And as we drop that, S9... 1 microvolt. Yeah, that's tracking how you'd expect it, so that's fine. So I'll just make a note on there that that was in fact RV101 was RX meter. That leaves us just with the squelch. And so we'll switch the signal generator off. Switch the squelch, turn the squelch to threshold. Push the signal generator back on. It's straight in at 0.3 of a microvolt. That's very good. Now then, turn the squelch to full. Advance the signal generator, 1 microvolt, 3 microvolts, 10 microvolts, 30 microvolts, 100 microvolts, 300 microvolts, 1 volt, comes in at 3 volts. that's a little more than we would like. I'm not that bothered, but if you need to adjust the squelch, 102 is that one there. I'm going to leave it as it is because it tracks well enough for me. But if you felt it was a little bit too fierce, then there you've got 102, which is a squelch preset. And that covers the Midland 78 Plus Multi Revision 6 with the blue display. So thank you for watching. We're going to take this on a field test tomorrow, and we'll post that video as well.